Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an invoice in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing you'll like to do is to create an account if you do not know how to create one or if you haven't created one. And how do you create an account on FreshBooks? First, launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type freshbooks.com. That's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Now, once you get in there, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of options or features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to create an invoice in FreshBooks. Now, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel of this homepage where you have a couple of options which include dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, all the way down to settings. Now, for you to create an invoice, you have to click on the Invoices tab, and that's going to walk you right into the Invoices window, where we can now learn how to create an invoice. So over here, I have an invoice ready, and you have the new invoice. And if you check the top right corner, you're going to have you can see the new invoice button. Now go ahead and click on the new invoice button, and that's going to take you right into the invoice window. So over here, we have this. So build to, you have to select a client. If you do not have a client already, go ahead and create a client. So I have a client here. So I'm just going to click on that client, and now you have the date of issue. Now you can click on this and edit the date, and you have the invoice number. You can edit this too. Now you can, of course, edit the due date and the reference value. You can add that in. So over here we have description. Go ahead and click on add a line and enter an item name. So enter the item name and enter the rate. So let's say we're going for a pen. So let's say that's the pen, and the rate, let's say, cost 1,000, and that is 1,000 naira. Okay, so you can add taxes. Click on this add taxes hyperlink to add a tax if you want to, but I'm not applying a tax to this invoice. So go all the way down and add a subtotal. If you have a discount, go ahead and add a discount, and you're going to get your total amount in here. If you have a note, add a note, which is optional, and add attachments as well. Now, once you're done creating your invoice, go ahead and click on save. And once you click on save, that's going to be it. Your new invoice will be saved. So this is pretty much how you can create an invoice in FreshBooks. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.